Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to claim a free domain on the Packet network. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a Web3 wallet like the MetaMask or the Coinbase wallet. You also will need to own some PKT. If you do not have any, go buy some at uniswap.com. If you need assistance purchasing, please watch the previous tutorial on how to purchase. Once you have PKT with a little Ethereum on Base loaded into your Web3 wallet, you're ready to get your free domain. Let's get started. Head over to app.pkt.cash and connect your wallet. Click PKT DNS. Click Register Domain. Highlight the number shown under Minimum Stake Value and copy. Click Go Back and select the Staking tab on the left side. Click the Add Stake button. Fill in your stake name. Under Amount PKT, paste the number you copied. You can remove the decimal and round up 1 PKT. Make sure you leave on Auto Restake. Click Next. Then Confirm. Your Web3 wallet will launch. Click Next. Then Approve. This might take a few minutes to confirm. Your wallet will pop up again and click Confirm. Now that your stake has completed, click PKT DNS. Click Register Domain. Select the stake you just created. Then, add in the name you wish to use for your domain. For this tutorial, we will use MasterCard. Click Register. Your wallet will pop up and click Confirm. This could take a minute or so. Your wallet will pop up again and click Confirm. Once the TXID pops up, click Go Back. You can see that our domain has been registered and is paired with the stake we created. Click Manage on the right side. Now you can link your website to your domain. Click Add Record. Fill in all the information that is needed. You can find this information wherever you built your website. And there you have it. You have now claimed your PKT domain. If you have any questions, please feel free to jump into the PKT Telegram, and someone from the community will assist. Thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one.